distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So AB equal to what? What's your 5 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square? What is this? 25 plus 9 and root 34 is your answer. So C is your answer. Got it or not? Third, the points are the vertices. So these given, point A whose vertex is minus 4 0, B 4 0, and C is a vertex whose are 0 minus 3. We have to tell, is it a right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, scalene triangle? This is scalene triangle coming. Understood? Scalene triangle is that triangle whose all sides are different. Right angle triangle is that triangle whose one angle is 90 degree. Equilateral triangle is that triangle whose all sides are equal. And isosceles triangle is that triangle whose two sides are equal. So we can find out its sides by using distance formula. So solution, what we can say? AC equal to what? x2 minus x1. So you can write this is x1 y1. This is what? y1. So how can we write? x1 equal to minus 4, y1 equal to 0. B, x2 equal to 4, y2 equal to 0, and this we can say x3 equal to 0 and y3 equal to 3. Yes or no? So we have to find out AC. AC meaning of AC is what? OC minus OA and equal to this x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. So what is this? According to you, x3, 0 minus 4. So minus 4 square plus y3, 3 minus 0, 3 square. So how much? If you can solve it, so this is becomes 16 plus 9, how much? Under root 25, and which is equal to 5. 5 units. Now find out in the same way AB. Directly I am writing here AB equal to what? x2 4 minus 4. 4 minus plus whole square plus 4 minus plus 0 minus 0 0. So 4 plus 4 under the root 8 square is equal to under the root 64 is equal to 8 unit. Then find out AB, AC, then find out BC. BC equal to what? BC, x3, 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0 whole square. So this is equal to what? Minus 4 square plus 3 square. So which is equal to 16 plus 9. How much? Under root 25, which is equal to 5. So here, what we can say from this AC, which is AC, this is equal to what? BC. AC equal to BC, but not equal to AB. So two sides of a triangle are equal. Two sides of a triangle are equal. So what type of triangle? Isosceles triangle. So that's why its answer is this. So one by one we can show the point which lies